Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys had an awesome day. As always, investing today. You can see my portfolio up top in the red today, down $91.97, representing 0.26% of my overall portfolio. And currently, I'm sitting just under 35,872. The three major indices today were all in the red by quite a bit, actually. S&P 500 down 0.36%, NASDAQ down 0.28%, and the Dow 30 was down almost 73 points, 0.37%. What I thought I would do today is talk a little bit more about my portfolio with regards to an update video, giving you guys an idea what I currently hold, highlighting each market sector that I have these stocks in. It's been a while since I've done one of these, so I thought this would be kind of cool to update you guys on the activity that I've done throughout my portfolio. So jumping into my portfolio, starting off up top are 6 ETFs, all high dividend yielding ETFs: DTD, DVY, NOBL, SCHD, SDY, and VYM. Below that, I have my healthcare stocks, first starting with pharmaceutical companies: ABBV, AbbVie, LLY, Eli Lilly and Company, PFE, Pfizer, and PTLA Portola. Below that, I have some healthcare services company: ABT, Abbott Laboratories, CAH, Cardinal Health, and J&J, Johnson & Johnson. Below that, I have my industrial stocks, first starting with aerospace: BA, Boeing, LMT, Lockheed Martin. Below that, I have some conglomerates: GE, General Electric, MMM, 3M, machinery. Below that, ITW, Illinois Toolworks. And again, you guys can see how many shares I have of each of these stocks as well under the ticker symbol. Some rail companies: CNI, UNP. UNP did have an earnings call today. It did very well. Let's see if we can actually highlight that with Robinhood's new earnings chart here. You can see actual EPS today was above the expected EPS, so that kind of accounts for UNP trending up today while the majority of my stocks have trended down. Below that, I have a supply company: International Paper, IP. Below that, chemical, DOW, Dow Chemical. Below that, I have my automotive stocks. You can see my largest holding there: Ford Motor Company. Below that, GM, General Motors. I have electronics company: GRMN, Garmin Limited. I have General Merchandise: TGT, Target. Below that, Leisure, HAS, Hasbro. Below that, I have some restaurants: MCD, McDonald's, YUM, Yum Brands, and YUMC, Yum Brands China. Below my, and that was all consumer discretionary, by the way, starting with my Ford and GM automotive stocks. Now I have consumer staples here, first starting with agriculture: ADM, Archer Daniels Midland, YY is Cisco Foodstuffs, Household, CL Colgate, KMB Kimberly Clark. Below that, packaged items: HSY Hershey Company, KHC Kraft Heinz Company. Below that, I have personal products: PG Procter & Gamble. Below those stocks, I have my beverage companies: BUD, Anheuser-Busch, KO Coca-Cola, and PEP PepsiCo. Below my consumer staples, I have my financial stocks, first starting with banks: BOFI, Bank of the Internet, HBAN, Huntington Bank Shares, WFC, Wells Fargo and Company, One Insurance Company, ORI, Old Republic International. Below these, I have my information technology: IBM, International Business Machines, AAPL, Apple, AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, INTC, Intel, and MSFT, Microsoft. I have 2 telecoms: T for AT&T, VZ, Verizon. Below that, I have energy: XOM, ExxonMobil. Starting with CNP there, I have my utilities: electric, CNP, CenterPoint Energy, ED, Consolidated Edison, and SO Southern. Below that, I have a couple real estate investment trusts: FRT, Federal Realty Investment Trust, STAG, Stag Industrial. Below that, I have my closed-end funds: GOF, Guggenheim, PCM Fund, PSEC, Prospect Capital Corporation, and PTY, Pimco Corp. And below that, I have one bond fund, BHK, BlackRock Core Bond Trust, and then I have a couple penny stocks there, BAC Plus and PIP, the company with the special dividend and merger today. So that is my total stock holdings right now. That is my entire portfolio. I'm still developing my portfolio. There's still a few stocks I need to buy. I'm dollar cost averaging a lot of these stocks. So as time continues, you'll see these stocks continue to grow. These are the stocks that I've selected so far. I've been very happy with the stocks so far. They've provided a pretty good return so far, but I'm still looking to add probably 30 to 40 different stocks to fully diversify my portfolio and kind of get my portfolio to where I want it to be. Then after that, I'm simply going to continue putting money in and maybe doing a little bit of tweaking here and there on some stocks, but for the most part, I have the skeleton in place of my portfolio. Just need to kind of round it out a little bit more with a few more stocks, and then, like I said, just continue dollar cost averaging and making some money. So yeah, tell me what you think about my portfolio. If you guys have any good additions, if you guys would replace any of my stocks with other stocks, maybe just take some stocks out of my portfolio. Let me know. Some of you thought I had too many stocks. Some of you thought I didn't have enough stocks. So give me your opinion on that as well. Am I too diversified, not diversified enough? Should I focus on just 5 or 6 stocks like some of you had suggested, or maybe even get up to 150 like some others have? So either way, let me know. Again, any good video ideas, any good investments, any good stocks, let me know. Always looking for new investment ideas and new strategies. So kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you like my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel, learning about investing. Hopefully you guys have been learning along with me. And kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys later.